विश्वेशं माधवं धुण्डिं दण्डपाणिं च भैरवम् वन्दे काशीं गुहां गङ्गां भवानीं मणिकर्णिकाम्. Welcome devotees. In this episode, we will see Triambakeshwar, Kedareshwar and Grisneshwar. Triambakeshwar. According to Kashikand chapter 69, various idols and shivlings have been brought from several other places and installed in Kashi. From Trisandhyam Teerth, one ling by the name of Triambak has appeared in this holy city, which is called Triambakeshwar. By worshipping this shivling, the devotee will get the respect normally given to Lord. In other words, he will be held in high esteem. Triambakeshwar Shivling in Kashi is worshipped as Triambakeshwar Jyotirling, which is located near Nasik in Maharashtra. Triambakeshwar is located at House Katora near Godolia, Varanasi. Landmark is Spice KCM Cinema and the temple is located in the gully besides the cinema. This temple also houses a place of worship of Lord Purushottam, and there is a huge crowd during Purushottam Mass or Adhik Mass, which comes once in about 26 months or so. Devotees coming here can worship other deities in the vicinity like Purushottam, Muchkundeshwar, Vishweshwar, Annapurna, etc. Kedareshwar. According to Kashikand chapter 77, a 12-year-old devotee named Vashisht, along with his guru, used to go to Himalayas to worship Kedareshwar Jyotirling. His guru died and Vashisht settled down in Kashi. Every year on Chaitra Purnima day, Vashisht used to worship Kedareshwar Ling at Himalayas, and this went on for 61 years. But due to old age, he could not move out and he started praying to Lord Shiva at Kashi. Lord Shiva blessed him with a wish, and Vashisht requested that Lord Shiva should kindly appear at Kashi itself as Kedareshwar. Lord Shiva was overwhelmed with the sincerity and devotion of Vashisht and granted accordingly. He appeared as Kedareshwar at Kashi and told Vashisht that performing puja at Kedareshwar at Kashi will yield 7 times greater punya as compared to performing puja at Kedareshwar at Himalayas. Kedareshwar temple at Kashi is located at Kedarghat near Sonarpura, which is a famous locality. Devotees can come here by cycle rickshaw or auto rickshaw. Devotees coming here can worship other deities nearby like Vitank Narsimha, Chintamani Vinayak, etc. Grishneshwar. Grishneshwar, also called Gushmeshwar, is one of the 12 Jyotirlings on all India basis and is located near Ellora Caves, Maharashtra. In Kashi also, 12 Shivlings are worshipped as Jyotirlings and are considered as powerful as the 12 Jyotirlings worshipped on all India level. In Kashi, Krishneshwar Jyotirling is located in the powerful Kamakhya temple, which is a Shakti Peeth. Worshipping this Shivling is considered equivalent to worshipping Grishneshwar of Maharashtra. There is a huge crowd on all Mondays, Fridays and many days during Shravan month. Grishneshwar is located inside Kamakhya temple, which comes in a famous locality called Kamacha. Devotees can reach this place by cycle rickshaw or auto rickshaw. Devotees coming here can worship other deities nearby like Kamakhya Devi, Baijnatheshwar, etc. For the benefit of devotees, we may mention that the producers of this video series, Messrs. Mahadev Handloom House, have their showroom in the heart of the city very near to Kashi Vishwanath temple and Ganga Aarti venue. They are manufacturers and wholesalers of Banarsi saris, suits and dress materials. They are staunch devotees of Lord Shiva and have a very good social standing. They are also very helpful to pilgrims. In case of any assistance, devotees may feel free to contact them. Their contact details are given here. Devotees, we request you to please press the subscribe button just below the video screen and then press the bell icon. You will get regular notifications. This is a free service only.